Some of the things, Vuyo, that he had to say was to confirm that indeed the 4 police officers that have been arrested this morning have appeared at the Stilfontein Magistrate Court, that are said to have assisted Tiger to escape, and they have now been released on 1,000 rand bail. But I have acting police commissioner in the Northwest Province, Patrick Asaneng, to tell us about, to inform and also give that update to our viewers that might have missed that briefing earlier on. We're starting with the 4 police officers that appeared in court today.
Yes, I can confirm that after extensive investigation, we have since arrested 4 members of the Vala Umgodi operational team. These are the members who were detached to Stilfontein to come and address the scourge of illegal mining. You will recall that when this fugitive Tsoaeli was unaccounted for, I assured the general public and members of the media that we will get to the bottom of this, because we regarded this as an unwanted embarrassment to men and women of the South African Police Service who are working hard. And our investigation has since pointed to the 4 members that have been arrested. Before we could even effect arrest, we made sure that we consulted with the National Prosecuting Authority, and they were satisfied that the evidence that has since been collected warrants that these members be arrested and that they have a case to answer. Like you correctly pointed out, they have since appeared before court. They are all released on 1,000 rand bail. We have notified as the province, the province and national office where they come from. They will immediately be withdrawn from the operation to make sure that they are not within sight of this. But we also want to sound a very strong warning to our members to say any one of them who tarnishes the image of the organization, who would want to involve themselves in criminality, they will also, without fear or favor, face the full wrath of the law.
Talk to us about your investigations with regards to finding where Tiger is.
At this point in time, we are following all the leads as and when they come. We have not yet managed to pin him down, but we believe that by the time these 4 members appear in court on the 5th of March this year, we would know for certain what happened to him, how did they assist him, and where he is at this point in time.
And we are seeing the report that more illegal miners are emerging, but also we are seeing that reports of likelihood of bodies that are underground. Since you last updated the public, there were 78 bodies, but give us the latest in terms of the number, but also the process of autopsies for those bodies.
Yes, at the conclusion of the mine rescue plan, a total of 78 bodies were in the government mortuary awaiting postmortems or autopsies to be performed. I can confirm that the autopsies have been performed on all the 78 bodies, but also indicate that it was with dismay that we realized that even after the conclusion of the mine rescue plan, there are still illegal miners that are underground. The mine rescue services at the conclusion of the mine rescue plan on the 14th indicated that they have combed the underground surface and they were satisfied that there were no illegal miners and bodies underground. But only this week at Margaret Shaft, we were called, someone as the police, when 1 corpse was brought to the surface. And then immediately after that, 3 Zimbabweans emerged from underground, followed by 2 Mozambicans. And I can confirm all of these 5, now no one of them came up emaciated, unable to walk. You could see that they have been having food. And this confirms that the demands that were made for the police and by Makua and others going to the court and say the police and the government wants to starve the miners underground, it's not true. because we have since interviewed these 5, and they confirm that their counterparts are still there. Their explanation is that they were aware of the ongoing police operation, and they decided that they're not going to come up.
Thank you so much for your time. Let's leave it there for now. That is the update from the acting police commissioner in the Northwest Province, Vuyo Patrick Asaneng, indicating that, yes, the 4 members, they were those that were deployed in the Northwest Province in Stilfontein as part of Vala Umgodi, and we understand that they will now be withdrawn as much as they've been released on bail or for 1,000 rand.